everyone, this is week 7. We're going to be talking about hygiene. To me, some of the items that are absolutely crucial, a hair tie, because if it's windy, then I want to be able to see. So to me, that is super important. We talked about the water bottle a few times, but I also didn't mention I have my hand sanitizer in here. I was going to put it in my grab and go bag, but I didn't want it leaking everywhere, so I put it in something a little more secure. I have a hairbrush, some lotion, and then I have this with a razor, a little shampoo, toothpaste, you know, all the essentials. But then I also have a full shampoo and conditioner with some moisturizer, earplugs, and tissue. Let's see, what else might it say? Soap, toilet paper, eye solution if you have contacts. It doesn't mention glasses, but you might want to bring your glasses. Wet wipes. I think that's it. So there you go. All right, talk to you later. Bye.